in this video, I would like to give you an up-close and candid review on how you can file nil return in KRA. So nil return is basically filed by individuals who have not received any form of income for the past 1 year. So that is ranging now from January 2024 to December 2024. So what you're supposed to do, just get into your favorite browser, then just search for iTax. It will take you to this interface. Just log in into iTax KRA. So this is the KRA portal. Then you just need to put your KRA pin here. So I have opened a concurrent pin certificate which is here to help me enter my KRA pin. So basically KRA does not allow you to copy paste this pin. So you just need to input it manually. So it is here. Let me input it here. So it is A015 3007A. Then I'll hit continue. So you just need to enter your password here. Let me enter mine. So in case you forget it, don't worry. I have a video showing you how you can restore this password and get ready to log into the portal. So you just need to do a simple computation here. I think we are ready. So I think this one is 122. If my math teacher was not wrong. Then I'll hit login. So you get into this beautiful interface where you have a lot of information in the tab here. We have home, registration, for withholding, VAT amendments. So our mission is to file returns. So you just need to come to where we have returns, then come here and choose file nil return. Just be systematic. Then you shall come here. What you need to do is just confirm if this one is your PIN, and basically it is, since you have logged in with your security details. Then you just choose the tax obligation. You just say you are a resident, income tax for a resident individual. You then hit next. Then it's not really important to enter your spouse PIN. So just confirm your PIN here, and the period ranging from 1st January 2024 to 31st December 2024, then hit submit. So dear customer, filing of nil return is only applicable in case where you have no transaction to declare for the period. Are you sure you want to file nil return? Yes, I have not received any income. So you can see now I'm ready. I'm very happy. I have filed my return and will not be subjected to a penalty which was ranging from 2,000 if you don't declare your return. So I don't want to participate in survey now when I'm creating this video. So I just download let me say not now. Then I just download the receipt which is here. Let me see. So you can see now I'm good to go. I have found nil return. You can see 0000 here. You can download it in your gadget and keep it for reference, or just to ensure you're in the safe side in case you get in troubles with KRA. And that is how we usually file nil return in KRA portal. Is just so simple. No need to pay a lot of cash to do this thing. It's just something which you can do for yourself. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. But when you finish doing this, don't forget to give the video a thumb up, and also to put in the comment section if it works for you. So as we are heading to the month of filing returns, so in the next video I'll be taking you through how you can file your employment income tax, or what some people basically call it jargons like P9 form, which is just so simple. Then let me log out. Just ensure you log out